Alright, I'm Mama Susie again, so come over here, so just quick and fast. Over here is the dinner, the yam, banana, dumpling, ackee and saltfish. I remember me tell me I mix up me mixing, me get pudding out of it, me sweet potato pudding me get out of it because on the blue drawers mix now, when I take out this now, I had more cornmeal and a little piece more yam and tighten it up more and ting. So over here we have the finishing touch of the blue drawers, blue, red, green and yellow drawers. Me all know me puzzle, me confused. Alright, so we are going to see what the thing set here now. So we are open up the drawers. Hey, what a mix up. Oh, say they no bad like me. Boy. See it there, people. See it there. Zoom up in it, Jesse. Up in it. Blue jar. So you cut up that and you eat that. You see it? Nice and easy. Warm and easy as we go along. Hey, crowd of people. Put on the sitting for me now. You just don't in it sitting so like a real drawers. Yes. Crowd of people. Mama Susie say one love. Me love you, me love you, me love you. Just go and watch me thing and me just go on, you know, tune in and thing and do me thing. Thanks to my big friend who buy me this apron from Italy. Shout out to my people, they wanna stop dig me up. Enough love. Me love you, man. Heart and love for everyone.